Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we'll be looking at another low mintage coin, and that's the 2014 $1 mob of Roos. So we'll have a closer look at it just so you know exactly what you're looking for. So the 2014, the mob of Roos as depicted on most of the dollar coins in circulation. But this particular one, the 2014, all these coins, as you can see here, are all from circulation. So none of them are uncirculated, so they're all in circulated condition. Most of these were taken out of circulation in 2014, 2015, so they're not in too bad a condition. They've lost a little bit of their luster, but other than that, they're not too bad. These ones were tough to find in 2014 and 2015, so I kept quite a few aside, and I managed to get some rolls of uncirculated ones, so which I don't have here right now, but yeah, these ones here are certainly well worth keeping. The ones I find now when I'm noodling are usually fairly banged up. You'll see a lot of dents going across the kangaroos as the coins have been hitting each other. But yeah, certainly one to look out for. In this condition, they probably sell for $3 to $4 each. So certainly worthwhile holding on to. So let's check the mintage. So once again, we're on the Royal Mint website, and as you can see there, we've got the details of the coin being mostly copper, aluminium, and nickel, a weight of 9 grams, and a diameter of 25 millimeters. So as we scroll down, we will get to the 2014 date, and we will see there a mintage of just over 1 million, so 1,052,000 coins for the 2014. So yeah, depending on the coin, really anything below 2 million I would class as low mintage, unless it's a coin that, like the 5 cent coin, where they make many more millions into the hundreds of millions. So anything sort of below 10 million would be classed as low in that case. So alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for 2014 Mob of Roos.